Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to open box unboxing. Dang dang!
Huh?
I'm going to unboxing Nike. Yes. Yes. It's a pure color. You guess what is it? What is the model? I think a lot of people they know the model already. Okay, it's Airmax Nike Airmax 90. Airmax 90. Wow, this is my first Airmax. Really excited. Why I choose Airmax 90? Because it's about OG. Yes, OG design is well. Wow, it's never unforgotten. OG design. Yes, always the fashion. Let's do it. Bang! Wow, it's violet color. Yeah. Let's go! Every Airmax 90 for this series, they have the one tag you can take out for your keychains or hang on your handbag or backpack. It's really nice design. Yeah, it's very OG design. Yeah, I think I no need to talk about the design anymore. It's the MX 90. It's very classic, very OG. And I like the material here. It's very soft, and there is same material here also, and the tongue is also very soft, and also wow, it's something like the thunder. It's here also with the violet color. Actually, before I buy this sneaker, I'm thinking of Airmax 2090 also. But fine, at the end I bought Airmax 90 because I like the something OG. Yeah, but the 2090 also is very beautiful. Yeah, but it's hard to choose. Well, I'm not a very expensive person. Sorry, not expensive person, not very rich person. Okay, that's why I need to choose between of them. That's why I chose the OG design. Yeah, I like something with story. Yeah, something with story. The OG design, they have their own story before. And 2090 is the new model. You need to create the story for the future. Yeah, it's the different way. This is what I think. This is just my own opinion. Yep. So if you have any opinion, just comment below. Yeah, it's very OG design. Let's see on fit result. After I weigh it on the feet, let's talk about my feeling. It's very comfortable with the Airmax cushion, but it's not as soft as the New Balance Fresh Foam or Fuel Cell. Of course, it's different category because the New Balance Fresh Foam and the Fuel Cell, they are more on the training shoes and running shoes, and the Airmax is more on the daily walking, yeah, and for your treasure wearing, yeah, when you go to hang out, chill out, it's very nice to wear, but I think it's not suitable for running and training. This is just my feeling. If you have the different feeling, please comment below, okay? Then let me know and share your opinion, okay? This, and I found the other things in the box. Yep, this one. We call it anatomical support. Let's see. It's something that you can install on inside your insole to make you feel more comfortable if you need it. Yeah, it's not applied to everyone. It depends. I just show you how you install it. Take out the insole. See, you can see the shape here. Then you choose the right one. And this is the R. You can see the R here. R means it's right, and this right also. So you just need to install this one on at here. Oops, one is different. Oops. Is how about the other one? Maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, this one. You can see the shape to make sure you are you put on the right position. They come with the something like 3M tape. So you just easily install. It's very easy. And that one here. And just follow the line of the install so you can install it with the right position. Yeah, got it. This is for the, you can do another side. And this is, I take out of the pack. You can use as the keychain. Yeah, it's very nice. Or you can put on your backpack or handbag. Yes. Only when you purchase the Airmax 90, you can get this 90 keychain. And that's all for the unboxing today. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And one more thing, there's another thing from the 90. I'm going to unboxing on next video. Bye. Thank you very much and keep safe. Keep safe. Keep safe. Keep safe. Okay. See you. Bye.